Hola capitanes, my name is Captain Nelson Peralta and this is Peral Travel Aviation English. El objetivo de estas clases es mejorar nuestro nivel de inglés. Veremos temas ya conocidos pero explicados en inglés, con el propósito de educar el oído y adquirir el tan anhelado vocabulario técnico aeronáutico.
How does the airplane fly? Is it magic? No, it's not magic. This is an airfoil. This is the lateral view of a wing of an airplane. It has different parts, but today we're going to see only two parts, the upper camber and the lower camber. Imagine you want to go, or the wind, the relative wind, you want to go from point A to point B. That's what the relative wind does when we're flying. Here we have a map of a city. We have a point A, point B. We have two routes through Avenida Toluca, which is on top. That is one of the routes, and it's a longer distance. You can see it's a longer distance if you take that route. If you take the other route, which is in the bottom, it's gonna be a shorter distance. That means that it's gonna be less time. You have to go with less speed. Now, if you see on top the distance, since the distance is greater, the speed that you have to do is greater. In the bottom part, since the distance is less, the speed is less. This creates lift. Why? Because when the air is moving faster, the pressure decreases. In this example, I'm blowing through on top of this piece of paper, and since I am accelerating that wind, that mass of air, that is creating a vacuum effect. That vacuum effect is what we call lift in the wing of an airplane. That's why the wind that is going on top of the wing is going faster. That creates the vacuum, and that creates lift. This is the basic principle, and this is how the wings of the airplane create lift. This is one of the four forces that affect the airplane in flight. Upper camber, lower camber, raider, vacuum effect, principles, airfoil, route, lift, wind.
That's all the time I have for today. See you captains next time. Over and out.